The ZIIP Halo device is a microcurrent facial treatment tool that uses both microcurrent and nanocurrent technology to help improve skin health. Here are 10 potential benefits of using the ZIIP Halo device. Number one, improved skin firmness and lift. The microcurrent stimulates the muscles beneath the skin, promoting tightening and lifting for a more sculpted appearance. Number two, enhanced skin texture. Regular use can help smooth fine lines and wrinkles by encouraging collagen and elastin production. Number three, increased circulation. The electrical stimulation promotes blood flow, which can help nourish the skin, improve tone, and give a healthy glow. Number four, boosted collagen and elastin production. Microcurrent therapy stimulates the skin's natural production of collagen and elastin, helping to reduce the appearance of sagging and improving the skin elasticity. Number five, diminished fine lines and wrinkles. By stimulating the facial muscles and promoting better cellular function, it can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Number six, improved product absorption. The device enhances the absorption of serums and skincare products, ensuring they penetrate deeper into the skin for more effective results. Number seven, non-invasive and pain-free. The ZIIP Halo provides a non-invasive, painless alternative to procedures like Botox or fillers, offering subtle yet noticeable results. Number eight, customizable treatments. The ZIIP device includes multiple treatment modes that can be customized through the ZIIP app, allowing users to target different skin concerns such as puffiness, pigmentation, and acne. Number nine, reduced puffiness and inflammation. The microcurrent and nanocurrent technologies help reduce facial puffiness and inflammation, especially around the eyes and jawline. Now, number 10, relaxed and toned facial muscles. The device helps to relieve tension in the facial muscles, resulting in a more relaxed and toned appearance with consistent use. With regular use, the ZIIP Halo device can offer long-term improvements to the skin, providing a non-invasive way to maintain youthful, glowing skin. Now, I've been using this device for almost a month now, and I can tell you that this device is very effective. I can feel it working. I can feel little shock waves, and I absolutely love that this entire process when I use this device is about 5 minutes. I love the fact that it's going to help my serums seep and penetrate deeper into the skin, and I love to use this at night for that exact reason because I don't like my skincare going into my pillowcase. So using this device will help that skincare and it will save me money in the long run because the skincare is actually getting into those layers of my skin that I need and hope the skincare will reach. I hope that you try this device, and if you do, please leave me a comment and let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here and happy to help. I'm going to put a link for this product in the description below, and if I do have a discount code, I will be sure to keep that in the description below as well. If you do have any other questions, just let me know. Again, I'm a master esthetician of over 15 years, so I've tried so many different devices, and I'm happy and willing to try all the new technologies so that I can give you my opinion on how they work here right at home. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.